Welcome to the Mavaverse.
Here is a guide on how to list your Mavatrix NFTs on Binance from MetaMask. First, go to Binance.com and make sure it's the correct website. Also, make sure to have the MetaMask web browser extension for the transaction to work. You have different ways to log in into your Binance account: via email, via phone number, via Apple account, via Google account, and via scanning QR code. So let's choose to scan the QR code from the Binance app. Once you're inside the application, click the scan icon. Proceed to scan and wait for confirm on your app. And logging in now. Then your User Center NFT Assets page will load. Proceed to click on Deposit. Then you'll follow through the 3 steps. Click BSC or BNB Smart Chain. A pop-up to connect your wallet will show. Click on MetaMask. Another pop-up from MetaMask will show up. Enter your password to unlock your MetaMask wallet. Wait for everything to connect and load. Now you'll see your wallet is connected. Now click on the next button for the second step. On this step, you'll look for the contract address of Mavatrix. On the search bar, you can either paste the Mavatrix NFT contract address or simply enter Mavatrix. Always double-check the contract address. You can always find it on our Mavatrix website or bscscan.com. When you're ready, click on the unfilled circle, then proceed to click the next button. The Mavatrix NFTs in your MetaMask account will show. Now pick one Mavatrix NFT to start with. Then, click the Deposit button. And wait for the MetaMask pop-up to show to click Confirm on your deposit. You can go over the details, then click Confirm. Another pop-up from Binance will show regarding your NFT deposit. Click on Go to Deposit History. Basically, the status of your NFT deposit has to be completed, and once it is, head over to the top right corner, your user icon, and click on User Center. The user asset interface will load once again. Now, the completed NFT deposit will show on the Collections tab. Then click on the Mavatrix NFT image. Here, you'll find all details of the deposited Mavatrix NFT. Once you're all set, click List NFT. Now, you can choose to put it on set price or highest bid. Choose the currency as you see fit, but BNB is always recommended. And name your price. Then choose the expiration date as you see fit, maximum of 7 days, then click OK. When you're ready, click the Submit button. Then, the list detail will pop up. Proceed to click Confirm. And now your Mavatrix NFT listing is completed. To check your NFTs on sale, go back to your User Center. Now, if you change your mind, you can click Delist NFT. And we're done. Once you're satisfied with everything, you may log out. But make sure to keep tabs on the email address you used to register with your Binance account. Stay tuned for more how-to guides with Mavatrix.
Welcome to the Mavaverse.
Mavatrix.com